So first we boil the potatoes, then we add the butter, a little bit of salt, a little bit of thyme, and that's it. Now we about to smash them. Okay, got them smashed. This is the butter with the thyme, a little bit of parsley, salt, and black pepper.
You must have been a real dork in school, huh?
Ooh, another piece of perfectly fried chicken breast. Look at that crispiness. That's that double batter. This chicken has actually been soaking in almond milk, y'all. Been seasoned and floured, you know. Another twist to it. Ooh. That's the cinematic view. Lip smacking food, you know how we do. Here we go. Get that sauce all over that chicken, you know what I mean? We want every ounce finger licking.
So, hey, you reporting a news story or something? Yeah, it's that big crane machine. How sweet of you to call it news. The crane machine. You said have that toy, and you could play the game like everyone else. That's pretty so funny that you run into where we're having a party next Friday. You're like swinging by. Whatever.
See the other smashed potato, and we gonna smash it right on top. Y'all ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Not gonna lie, this about to be rocking on a whole nother level. Look a little messy, but it's about to be delicious. Yeah, that mango delight smashed potato chicken sandwich. Ooh wee. It's about to go down. Lip smacking food. I'm gonna give y'all that close up so y'all can see the goodness up in there. Hey, Chef Rowe here. Now it's time for the taste. I didn't think I was gonna make it, and I messed this up live on camera, right? Well, not live, pre-recorded, but it's happening today. TGIF. You know, you gotta make sure the composure, like it stays together. You know what I mean? When you pick it up, like that. So, a little piece of potato fell off. We'll be all right. Y'all ready? Grab it like this. Crispy, lip smacking, flavor packing. Chicken juicy. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna finish this.